Integrating Power BI with other Microsoft tools. One of the key benefits of integrating Power BI with Excel is the ability to create dynamic and interactive reports and dashboards. Power BI has great visualization tools. Excel has powerful data analysis tools. Power BI integration with SharePoint. Integrating Power BI with SharePoint lets you share reports and dashboards easily. SharePoint is a central platform for collaboration. It makes it easy to access and use your Power BI visualizations. Power BI integration with Teams. With Power BI's integration with Teams, you can embed your reports and dashboards in your Teams workspace. This collaboration keeps team members informed. They can then make data-driven decisions in the familiar Teams environment. Power BI integration with Azure. Integrating Power BI with Azure opens up a world of possibilities for advanced analytics and data visualization. Azure is a secure, scalable cloud platform for hosting your data. Power BI is an analytics tool that extracts insights from it. Power BI integration with Dynamics 365. Integrating Power BI with Dynamics 365 gives you a full view of your customer data and business operations. Power BI's analytics and Dynamics 365 CRM and ERP help you grow your business. They enable informed decisions. Power BI integration best practices. When integrating Power BI with other Microsoft tools, follow best practices. This ensures a smooth and successful integration. When integrating Power BI with other data sources, ensure data quality and consistency. So, use robust data cleansing techniques before visualization. Also, using Power BI's connectors and APIs can speed up data retrieval and updates. Power BI integration benefits. The benefits of integrating Power BI with other Microsoft tools are manifold. Integrating Power BI with Excel, SharePoint, Teams, Azure, Dynamics 365, and SQL Server can transform your data analytics. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Power BI with other Microsoft tools is a great way to improve data analytics and discover insights.